Hmm. Okay, so first of all, thanks for actually taking this issue. So what we have to do here is we have to update some README, some links, and before we do that, actually I
Okay.
wanted to transfer this repository to another account. I mean, so I wanted to move this to another organization. So let's do that first, and then we will move. So I think it should be here. Pull request, danger, transfer ownership. So we'll transfer this user organization name. I generally don't keep any projects under my name, mostly if they are being open source. So
Okay.
your profile and so NGX Builder. So this is where I generally keep all the open source projects. Let's do this first and then we'll update the link. So this is type
Okay.
this to confirm. Okay. Uh, I use your password. Confirm. Okay. So I think it should have been done now. Let's see. Mhm. And Angular async local storage. Okay, so this is the first thing. So which we wanted to do. That okay. Now this transfer ship is done, and let's
Okay.
protect this branch. So this branch is main branch, and then I would say require a pull request before we merge. Require approvals. Right now I'll say one. Dismiss. Require review from code owners. Restrict requires status check to be so we don't have CI pipeline right now, so we will not do this right away.
Okay.
And let's see, include enforce all configure above for administrators. I will not do this right now. Restrict who can push to matching branches. Okay, allow force pushes and allow deletions. Let's do that. So at least right now I'll be able to do it. I mean, I'll be able to merge the changes now. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
this is done. Now what we can do is you have to actually create a fork. So can you just
Mm-hmm.
go to this link? I mean, go to
Yeah.
this link and let me share this with you on chat, private chat, and go ahead and fork this repository as of now.
Yes. Sure. NGX builders.
Hmm.
Yeah. I created. Yeah.
Okay, now can you share your screen? So you will have option to sh- click on share and then
Yeah. Share screen.
hmm,
Yeah. It's visible.
yeah. Okay, so you
Okay.
have created this fork right now. What we can do is this
Yeah.
is mostly documentation changes. Just press a dot on your
Okay.
laptop.
Dot.
Dot. Yeah. So it will now just initialize the VS Code online, and we can now do it here only. So we don't have to fork,
Okay.
and I mean we don't have to actually take it on local machine and then do it. So it will save
Okay.
some
Okay.
time. Someone joined. Okay, I can see someone is actually. Hmm. So let's start with README. So because README is important,
Mm-hmm.
so we
Yeah.
can start uh, when changing the links right now. So let's see. Let's open the issue and see what are the things which we want to include. So fix README and hmm, okay, cool. So let's fix the issue template first. So you can go to folder called .github,
Dot.
GitHub, the
GitHub.
first
Yeah.
one. Yeah, and issue template.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So bug report. Let's see. Open it.
Mm.
Hmm. So let's start looking for any the links. So we can see okay, this is the template, and then I have a read uh, line number 19, right? So you can see there is my repository which is mentioned, I mean my username. So can you just start
Yes.
changing this to the original one? So the original is now NGX Builders.
Okay.
Yeah. So post
So
private chat.
one minute.
Yeah, I just shared it in. And this is Angular async local storage, right? So I mean,
Mm-hmm.
so entire path will change.
So I have to change this your name, yeah?
Name as well as the repository, right? So you can see in the repository right now is NGX PWA offline, and our project name is async local storage,
Async, yeah, 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 right.
Angular async local storage. So
So whole link I have to change.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, you can
This
just
one.
copy the URL. Yeah, exactly. So let's start changing that. And hmm,
Okay.
till offline. No, 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 not
Till
till
offline, yeah.
readme. Yeah, yeah. I think yeah. Hmm. Same for change log. Right now we don't have migration and change log looks like, so we can
Mm-hmm.
remove this.
Mm-hmm.
So let's remove change log and migration. Hmm.
Can I comment out or
Remove it, delete
delete?
it. I mean, if needed, we will add it later on. And
Okay,
docs,
okay.
yes, we do have docs. Let's see what's there in docs. And yes, it's
Mm.
browser. Okay, so you can, yeah. So for docs, change the URL path till offline.
Same path, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and I have checked in already. Opened issues, closed issues. Again, the path needs to be changed. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so some people are online here, everyone. I mean, in case you are watching us, we are just doing some of the open source projects. So I recently there was a project which was deleted, or you can say the maintainer of this project actually deleted the uh, code base. I think you have to delete before issues, not
Before
the entire
issues.
thing. Before,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Right, right, right.
Okay. You can just I think just find it and replace, probably that will be a better option. So this
Okay, okay, okay.
source code was deleted and we recovered it, and now we are trying to actually maintain it. And so we are updating the readme and everything wherever we have this uh, links related to this project. So configuration, NGX builders, and PWA local storage, right? So this is not a PWA local storage, probably. Let's see. So can you just open package.json? So we'll see if what is the name of this package. Package.json. Yeah. So it's NGX PWA. Okay, NGX builder, PWA local storage. Yeah.
Okay. Can I copy it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm just wondering why this is PWA local storage, because there was another one which is PWA local storage. I'm not sure. Mm, okay, that was NGX PWA offline. Okay, cool. So there is another project. Okay, PWL. Okay, now this is done. I think we are good with report. Let's open
Mm-hmm.
config.yml and see if there are any links here. Yeah, same. I think we have to
Same, same.
update, yeah, PWA offline to. So Omkar is actually helping with the PR. So we decided to have a call, and Omkar was generous enough to take this issue and work. And discussion feature request. Okay, so discussions, I don't think so. We have a discussion here right now. And what was the link? Discussions 554. I think we should remove probably. So not needed for support. A new GitHub discussion tab with question categories Q&A. So okay, let's do one thing. I'll just enable the discussions for this one, and let's
Mm-hmm.
see. So NGX builders, Samsung local storage. So I'll show you how we can actually enable the discussions. Let me share my screen again, add to stream,
Okay.
and here. So discussions is a very good way to collaborate. I mean, in case
Yeah.
your users have some issues, or anyone wants to actually suggest some features, so it's better to actually have discussions. And this is where you can do it. You can always go to settings, and in settings you have an option called discussions, and set up discussions,
Okay.
and it will give you multiple options. So this is like setting up that, okay, we have an announcement that we have started discussions, so everyone who has this project start, so they will get the notification that now you can actually have discussions. And Q&A, right? So this is
Okay.
the link which we have to replace for Q&A. And let me share it in private chat so you can replace. And then there was another one for features, right?
Okay.
So ideas. uh, hmm, Let me share this. And yep, now let's add your screen to stream and copy these two URLs, and we can go back to uh, the config.yml which was there. So first one is Q&A. You can actually,
Uh,
hmm,
like here, yeah.
yeah, the first one, yeah. You can replace,
Uh,
this is, yeah, this is for Q&A.
this is for Q&A, yeah.
Yes. So you can copy this URL and replace the first one
Till discussion.
till Q&A, till Q&A, entire. This is the entire URL.
Entire URL.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Mm, and for
And
feature request, we can, yeah, the second one, we can have
second
this
one
one,
is
for feature discussion. So let's see. Hmm. Okay, this looks good now. Let's see what are the other files which we have here. And then code. Then we have, okay, I just went to another repository. Let me go back. I think you can open package.json. Probably we will have
yeah.
some links there as well. Okay, there are no links in package.json, looks like.
Yeah, there are no links, yeah.
Hmm. Okay, then we are good there. Let's see if there are any other files which might have some links. So we have license, and license is a MIT license. So that's not a problem. Angular.json, readme.md. Hmm. Let's
Very
open
big
the
file.
readme.md. Yeah. Not Angular.json, readme.md. So let's see readme.md, and let's see if you have some links there. Okay, async local storage for Angular, and okay, this is fine. Okay, status of this lib. Okay. Status of this lib. Okay, can you remove that line from line number 11
Uh,
to line number 14?
line number
Yeah.
11
Hmm.
to line number 14.
Hmm. Let's remove this so people know that now this library is being maintained. And okay, now this,
Yeah.
scroll down, local storage index.db, getting started. I think this is fine. Ng add pwa local storage installation guide. Again, I think this is, let's see, you can replace this URL again on
Which one?
40, line number 45. There is a link,
Okay.
manual instruction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With which one?
Okay, so this will be the repository URL. Async
Repository
local
URL.
storage, yeah, up to
Yeah.
async local storage. Mhm.
Till offline.
Yeah, exactly. And Huh, okay. This is manual installation, and then we have PWA local storage migration guide. I think it will be the same. So again, change the URL till offline. PWA offline to create a new version. Okay, nginx PWA offline. This is not the offline, right? So this is async local storage. Oh, this is very confusing. I mean, I'm not sure why he has done that. PWA local storage, and then okay. Mhm. KB local storage. Just go back to the previous line where we replace the URL. Hmm?
Yeah, this
Huh.
one.
So new version upgrading to upgrade to new version C. Okay, let me see if there are any migration guide here available inside docs, and there is actually no migration guide available here. Okay, so it should be in another repository if I'm not wrong. So mm, projects no here they don't have any migration guide. GX PWA offline, PWA offline. Okay, what was the previous link? Main migration.md. Okay, let's see. Main migration.md challenge log. Okay, so there is no link for migration.md. I cannot see anything. Upgrading PWA local storage. Can you remove that line? I mean, it will be a wrong link, a dead link. So
Which one?
remove that
This one?
from 53. Yeah, from line number 53, delete that, the upgrading part.
Okay,
Because
upgrading
anyways,
part.
now this, yeah, okay.
Okay.
And done, manual installation done. Then we have the API part, which is PWA local storage. Cool. This sounds okay. Scroll down and writing data. Okay, this is fine. Serialization guide. Now serialization guide. So nginx PWA offline serialization.md. Let's see if there is anything called serialization.md. Yes, this exists. So you can again change the URL till PWA offline.
PWF line.
Hmm. Yeah, and this exists. So okay, this is okay. Now scroll down. So is there any other link? Let's go down, and yeah,
Watching
I think
guide.
there is one 141, right? So watching guide,
Watching guide,
and
yeah.
let's see. Yeah, so again, this URL exists, so you can just change till PWA offline, and then we are good. And full validation guide, I think validation.md also exists. Yes, I can see that. So you can also change it for line number 156.
156.
Hmm.
Or
Hmm.
this one? No, this
That's
one no.
JSON
No.
schema. Yeah, and that's a
Okay,
generic
okay.
URL. So and subscription do not do. Okay, that's fine. Error guide is, let's see if there is any error guide. Yep, there is an error guide. Again, change the URL to PW line number 192. Oh, yeah, sorry, 185. Sorry, and 192 as well, which is expiration.
It's expiration.
Yeah, so we can change this as well. And map. Okay, scroll down and my documentation map operations. So map operations do exist. So again, change it for line number 202. And hmm,
Browser support.
yeah, same. Just change till nginx to nginx pwf line collision. Yeah, and change log is right
Collision.
now. Yeah, this also, this needs to be changed. And I think interoperability as well.
Okay.
Hmm. And yeah, change log, you can remove it right now because we don't have, I mean, as we took over the repository, we don't have change log as of now. So we can remove this. I'll be anyways
Okay.
writing manual release later on. I think we are good with readme.md now. So you can save this file.
Okay, all done.
Yeah. And now we have to add few lines in package.json. So let me just do that. Uh, mhm. Okay.
This is auto saving, no?
Hi, it is out. It is yeah, it is auto save.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, Angular builders. No, okay. Let me see. I mean, so Netlify builder and so in package.json we can add some metadata information so about the repository. So
Okay.
can let's do that. First, we need to add authors. Author. Let's add repository URL first. Okay. So here, go to package.json and before scripts, let's do that before script. And you can add this
Before.
information. I just posted it in private public chat. So you can take it from private chat and just change. Yeah, yeah,
All this one.
yeah. Copy this and just change the URL. So change the URL to the current one which we have. And
Which one? Before script.
hmm, and just so this information is available on top. I mean, there's no sequence actually. You can add it
Mm-hmm.
anywhere you want. Same, we can add author. So and license might be, and then enter. Yeah, just press enter after that. Repository. After repository, you can
Okay.
add all this information, author, and then license, and then other information. Just copy it. Yeah.
Okay.
You can format it once. So
Uh, yeah, right. Okay.
done. Hmm. So
Yeah,
we
done.
have license, we have homepage. I think just right click. Okay, why this is not formatted? I think you can install Prettier. So you can go to extension here on VS Code Online as well. So yeah, extension.
Okay.
Just install Prettier.
What?
Prettier. So
P.
Prettier is yeah, Prettier is like it is used to format the code. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
install it. Hmm. So
Okay. Done.
once installed, I mean, I think you should be able to format now. Uh, Installed. Right click. It's available or control
Format document.
format format document. Yeah, configure.
Configure.
Yeah, and
Prettier.
select the beauty. Yeah,
Okay. Right.
yeah. Now it's it's formatted. So we just
Formatted.
removed, just change the yeah, just change the URL for repository to the current one.
This one.
I think Git. plus. Just leave the git plus and then after change the URL.
Okay.
Hmm. You can just and storage dot git. Just leave the git as well. Dot
Dot
git.
git.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And URL. Yeah,
URL also.
yeah. Till Netlify builder. Till Netlify builder. Yeah, and yeah, the next homepage as well. Mm, mm, mm.
Hash readme.
Yes, it will be because we already have readme, so it's okay. So yeah, till builder. Yep, till builder you have to change.
Okay, done. Yeah.
Cool. So now let's. Is there anything else? Rest of them are scripts, so I don't have. We don't have to worry about it right now. We'll set up the this things later on. Just open this renovate.json. So there is a renovate.json file. I mean, I just want to check the configuration. What's there? Probably okay. So projects nginx package.json. Okay. So ignore path projects nginx pwa local storage package.json. Scroll down. Package rules. There are some rules after one. Okay, there are some configurations. Okay, can you delete this file right now? I mean, I'll set up the renovate after later on.
Uh,
Yeah, delete.
this file delete
Yeah,
permanently.
delete. Yeah, delete permanently. And cool. And
Okay.
also delete package lock. Let's delete package lock file because I'm
Package
not going to
lock.
use it. Yeah, I
Okay.
prefer doing probably I'll just do npm install again once we set up the CI/CD pipeline and ESLint workflows. I think we are good to go. Let's open the docs and see. Let's go through the docs folder. Yeah, browser support. Let's start looking at the URLs. So because there might be some URLs which is targeting to the older repository or some other thing. Here, line number
Yeah, yeah,
7, right?
this one.
So
Yeah,
hmm.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so right now, browser engines like not in browser tools like native script C. Okay, so this URL, this actually does not exist right now. Let me see. Let me
Mm-hmm.
figure this out if this is actually something which exists. Mm, let's see if he has repositories at least. Index WA Angular async local storage issue number 11. So if this issue exists, issues closed and labels closed. Issue number 11. Okay, so this link, uh, what was this link? And can you undo? I mean, can you undo first? Line number 7, Control Z.
Control.
I want to see
I
if this was.
actually changed all the links. Like three links are
Okay,
there.
okay, it's
Seven,
okay. Okay, cool, cool, no
7, line
problem. I
number
mean,
18, and 20. Yeah. This
okay,
one
I
is
just want to.
original link. Yeah, previous
What
link.
was
This one
that?
is
PWA
uh,
offline. Okay,
PWA
and just
offline. Yeah.
okay, okay. Let's see if I can see this code. I mean, I cannot see anything here. I cannot see any issues. So he has actually deleted issues as well, which is not good. And Netlify builder. Let's see if I can find line number. I mean, just in case if the issue does not exist, does not make sense to actually have them.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
right. Can I undo all?
no, no. I mean, let me just check if I have this issue number. Repositories, Nginx to PWA offline, and there are two branches. Issues. I doubt that issues are carry forwarded. No, this does not exist. So let's see what is written here. The link supports the same browser as Angular. It also works in a tool based on browser engine like Electron, but it not in non-browser tools like native script. So what we can do is delete the line number 7.
Okay.
Yeah, delete line number 7
Line number
and
7.
uh, browser tools like native script. So after native script, just close the bracket and remove the C.
After native script, where is native script?
Six, line number six at the end.
Okay, okay, yeah. Like
Yeah,
native
so
script.
remove, and that's it.
Uh,
Close brackets and remove rest of it.
I have to remove C, yeah.
Yes, exactly. Remove the comma and close it. Okay, this module is not impacted by I missing index DB feature. Okay, cool, no problem. Browser restriction. Be aware that index DB usage is limited. Okay, cool, no problem. In some scenarios, index DB is not available. Firefox private mode, and in some scenarios, not. So the leave fall back to synchronous local storage. It happens in this. Okay, so let's do this. You can delete everything after like local storage. It happens in, right? So from it happens in to line number 19. So line number 16, go to line number 16 at
Number
the end.
16 happens
So
in.
yeah, yeah, so from it delete, select everything from it, delete. I don't know. You can have installation guide and block all cookies. I think just remove till line number 19.
Okay, this
Hmm.
one.
Yeah, and also remove it happens in. Remove that line words. It happens in.
It happens in.
Yeah, remove this and okay. Now serialization.md. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, save. This is okay. Now let's go to the collision.md.
Okay,
Let's see if
collision.md.
there are any links here. Nginx builders, PWA local storage. Scroll down, see if there is any link.
No.
No. Well, let's go to errors. It looks like this is just errors. Okay. How to set. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to expiration. This is the information. Okay, this is just information. Okay, cool. This is
Information,
also
yeah.
fine. Yeah, interoperability.
Interoperability. My voice is clear, no? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Hey Jordan, what's up? How are you? How are things? So uh, Jordan is in chat. He has been doing amazing stuffs with some other libraries. He's trying to integrate uh, basically White into the Angular ecosystem. Just check out his profile as well as his link. I'm just sharing his Twitter handle in case you get some time. Just check out his Twitter handle and as well as his GitHub profile. Some amazing stuff this guy is doing. So and let me share the project name. So nx.ext.dev. There's also links, I think, right? Yeah.
Uh,
I mean, there are no other links, just information here.
this information, yeah, yeah. Wait
Cool.
a
I mean,
minute. I
that's
want to scroll down. Something is lagging in the VS Code, yeah.
it's online, so it's okay, no problem.
Yeah, right.
If it is stuck, I mean, you can go to other file, try to see if you're able to click on the next file, or is it totally stuck? Okay, looks like probably my internet. Can you hear me? Omkar? Omkar? Okay, somehow we lost Omkar, probably internet issues. Okay, is there anyone who can reply if you are able to hear me and still see me? So I know that this is just an issue for Omkar, or because I can see still I'm online somehow. Let's see. Okay. So Jordan, can you hear me? I mean, you are able to still see me, or probably he lost his internet connection. I've just asked him to join again. Probably I'm not sure who's right. Was it my problem or it was his internet issue? Okay, cool. Probably, yeah. Probably, I think he lost the internet connection. I've asked him to join again. Let's see. So yeah, Jordan. So you almost know everything. Uh, I mean, so it's things are getting settled now. I mean, I'm not expecting much uh, from Germany right now. So it's like okay, I think first year will be a little bit difficult, but I think after a year everything will should. I mean, I think everything should settle down. Moving to a new country is it was never going to be easy. So okay, so he's joining back in 2 minutes. Meanwhile, let me share my screen and see what we have been doing. So, yep, Angular async local storage. So, I mean, just to give you background information, we had some Angular project, some open source project. The author, he was not getting much effort, not getting much contribution from community, and he was not getting some also support. I mean, in terms of GitHub sponsors. So he decided to delete everything, and we got this code recovered, and we published it on npm again using some other package name. But there are links which are still broken, so we are trying to fix those releases, and we were able to actually get the entire history. So we also maintained who was the contributors before. I mean, I know this Cyril had most of the contributions. So if I go to insights, you will find contributors, and you can see almost 800 commits from him. So he was a little bit disappointed. Other commits were like, okay, Yuri had some commit, Beeman had commit, but not from others. So he decided to totally delete everything and all code. But yeah, I mean, it was not ethical, I would say, but we cannot blame anyone. So we did that, and now we are trying to actually update everything, update the links, and fix all the CI/CD pipelines again. Make sure that it will be maintained going onwards. So I have moved this project right now to organization which I maintain called NGX Builders. So it's not even under my control. I can like if I'm not interested in doing it, I mean, I can ask someone else to actually maintain this organization. So all my open source projects as well, so I don't have to, and community don't have to rely on me. Of course, uh, being an open source maintainer is hard, and sometimes you have to think and you have to pass the torch. I will again also I will also do that sometime in future. I mean, I'm not going to maintain it for infinity, right? So let's see how it goes. But right now the idea is to just get all the links updated and all the CI/CD pipeline set up. So this is the issue which Omkar has been working on. So I opened this issue 16 days ago. He said, yeah, he'll do it. I mean, he was Omkar had some exams now. Yeah, we are here doing it now. Let's see. He'll be here in 2 minutes. And let's see. Meanwhile, we can actually see it from here. You don't have any fork. Your existing fork. um, where we can see the fork list, view existing fork. So Omkar had this one, and okay, he was doing it in. Okay, hope so. He gets his current environment. So because we were using VS Online, VS Online, VS Code Online to make all the changes, and he is going to be here soon. Yeah, let's. Meanwhile, I'll do one thing. I mean, so I had one more project to move to this organization. Go to your repositories and ngxpwa offline. So this is supposed to be enter this. Uh, so let's move this. So I can just say transfer ownership in case you are wanting how to do it. In case you have any project which you want to give it to anyone else, either another user or you want to transfer this to a organization, you can actually do it from here. You can go to settings and there is an option called transfer. You have to enter the username or organization name and then enter the repository. I understand transfer this repository because I know, I mean, I am the author of the other repository, other organization as well. And it is here. So you can see ngxpwa offline. So it's available here now. I'll do one thing. Meanwhile, Omkar is joining. I'll go ahead and protect this branch so no one push the changes. Requires a pull request and require number of approval before merging. Yes, that's fine. Require remove. Right now, I'll not be really strict because maybe I may need to commit the changes by myself. So I'll just keep my administration and admin rights to do that. But I'm making sure that okay, I cannot push directly to main. That's fine. And let's see. Pull request. There is one. Configure renovate. Let's do that because it's very useful. And merge pull request confirm. And let's see for this. I think this is a sync local storage. I already had I could see there is a file called renovate.json, but we will set it up again. I mean, once Omkar is online, we will delete everything and then we'll set up renovate again. Let's see. Okay, cool. So there is heavy rain in Pune. I think Omkar is from Pune, if I'm not wrong, Satara, Maharashtra. Yeah. So in India, there is a heavy rain which is going on. I'm sure if some of you are from India, you know already know that. And let's see. Okay, I think it's in entire India probably. I know it's. I mean, even it was raining yesterday here in Hamburg. So of course, in Hamburg, this weather is really crazy. I mean, you cannot guess what's going to happen. So sometime it rains, sometime it's really windy, sometime it's really hot. So it's just currently it's actually a summer here, but I have seen rain, cold, winter, everything in summer as well. So it's that bad here. Okay, let's see how much time Omkar is going to take, and hope he is able to recover all the changes which he made, because otherwise we'll lose some work. Probably we will not. I mean, VS Code Online uh, keeps changes on cloud. That's one other another thing which I love about VS Code Online. So it's really handy, especially when you need to work with documentation changes as we want to do. I think the only limitation right now is you cannot run the scripts, npm scripts. For that, you have to connect to code spaces. Again, code spaces is again a very good option. And let's meanwhile, what we will do is I wanted to include some badges as well. I can just take it from my existing repositories, and we will use that index dot. So let's do this meanwhile. So my some of the existing projects has this badges. I can actually do this for my current project as well. Let's do that. So we can ng angular sync local storage, and let's see. I can add, what is that? All contributors. Let's see. Hmm. So I can add all contributors to my project, and let's see how to do that. Install the bot. We already have this bot. Let's see. Install the GitHub app and Nginx builders. Okay, I think Omkar is here. Hey Omkar.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. So I was just doing some installation Nginx builders, all repositories, save. Yeah, I
Okay.
mean, meanwhile, you can see if you're able to recover your work. Just see that. GX builders, okay. All contributors, please add this. Okay. Let's see if I can add this here. Angular async local storage. Let's try to. Okay, once we get the PR, we'll try this out. But yeah, I'll remove. You can share your screen again, Omkar. So
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, really sorry for the bad network because due to heavy
yeah, it's
raining is
okay.
going on here.
No problem at all.
It's visible or not?
I have to add it. So yep, it is visible now. You can share your screen again.
Yeah, we are doing this thing. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. So yeah, we were going through the documents. I mean the links. I think this was also okay. So let's see. Hmm. I think this is related to configuration, interoperability. Okay, just scroll down, scroll down. I mean, just see if there are links, because code samples have not changed. I have already
Okay.
taken care of them.
So
Yes.
we have to change on the links. Yeah.
Let's see. So this is also fine. This is also fine. Example with local storage.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is okay. This is fine.
Yeah. There are no links.
Okay, then let's move to more manual installation and
Installation.
see installation guide and npm. Okay, package name is npm install nginx builders. Okay, this is also fine. Let's move to map operations. And map operation, this is okay. Scroll down. I think this should be okay as well.
Yeah. There are also no links.
Okay, let's move to serialization.
Serialization.
And Browser support, this is okay. Until unless we get
No.
repository. Okay, this is validation, and let's go to the validation and then watching part. This is JSON schema, which is absolutely fine. Cool. And rest is code samples. Okay, that's fine. NGX PW local storage. That's okay. I think
Yeah,
this
this
is
one is.
where is that? So yep. Okay, local storage issue. Yeah. Let's see what is that in Angular async local storage. Can you click on that link?
Yeah.
Follow link. Okay. Strange, right? So it says no matching issues. Go back.
No issues.
Hmm. So what is this? After inferring the type from all JSON schema is auto inferring the type from all is in progress. Okay, just remove this. Doesn't make sense.
What? Auto
150 to
inferring
150.
or
Yeah, both. 150 to 153
okay.
to both line. So yeah, and cool validation when writing. That's fine. Let's scroll down. Hmm. Looks okay. Yeah, let's go to watching
Okay.
and
Watching.
watching.md. And this is code samples. Okay, scroll down.
No
Okay.
links.
Then. So what you can do is just add a commit. So right now I have to add the commit guidelines, but you can use something like this. So feature, not feature, but docs. Let me share this, and then you can commit. You have to go to the third link where you can see the number.
Okay.
Hmm. So just copy this docs, update the link for of repo, and hmm, right side, yeah,
Oh,
and yeah, click here, and yeah, just enter, just press paste the message and click on the checkbox. Hmm. Commit all and push. Yep. Cool, done. Now you can go back to your repository and you can open up here. You can go to your fork.
yeah, my phone.
Hmm. Hmm. I think there is no open pull request. Create pull request.
Create pull request.
Hmm. Yeah,
Yes,
this is
M
fine. And in right, you can just say closes,
closes.
space hash.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, the first one. Just select the first one. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Now create pull request. So it actually it will create a link between the actual issue and this PR.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So now let me share my screen and we can review this and merge. So now I have a pull request available here. Update. And
Mm-hmm.
so workflow right now, it should fail. I'm not expecting it to work. So but let's see. I mean, just in case it works.
Okay.
So it's because I think I have to update this CI pipeline to Angular 14, and that's a task which I have to do. But we'll do it later on with uh, another issue which we have opened. Renovate is deleted. Package.json. We added repository. We added license. We
Yeah.
added bugs URL, homepage URL, package log. We deleted it. Validation, browser support, config.yaml, bug report. This is done. The stream readme.md. So status we deleted. We are going to maintain this, and then again this is all the repository links which we have updated. And I can submit
Right.
my approval, submit review
Pro-
because we did it online, so we know what are the
Yeah.
things. So Uh, okay, so as I said, so few things are CI/CD is broken right now, and I can just go ahead and say merge. Cool. So now it will also close this issue. So you can see it auto closed because we linked
Auto
it.
close, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So now we will take care of GitHub Actions next time. But here I would be able to see, for example, right now if I go to this package.json and just look for this package.
Okay.
So Nginx PWA local storage,
Cold
not
storage.
this one. Uh, okay, where is this gone? Nginx builders PWA local storage. Let's go to npm and see. Nginx your packages. Because I have to publish the latest version. So once I publish it, so right now it's available here Nginx builders PWA local storage. But right now, if you see, this links actually redirect to the old one, and then we need to once we publish this version, this links will be changed to the latest, and same to other links as well. So we can do that later on. I think we have to do a release for that, so that's not an issue. Cool.
Okay.
So yeah, we are done. So we this is a sync local storage. I'll just post it, and in case there is anything which is I think the rest of the things are fine, and I just need to fix the CI/CD later on. So that's it. Thanks a lot, Omkar, for helping with this issue and opening your
Yeah,
PR.
it's really amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, so and we'll in case there is any other issue, I mean I'll open this later on because there is another repository we also did same for this. So there
Okay.
is another, yeah, we took two repositories from this particular user or two open source
Mhm.
projects. So PWA offline, this is the another one which we have, and we have to actually probably actually do the same thing here as well. I mean, doing
Okay.
everything. Yeah, but yeah, that's fine. I mean, right now I can just do other stuff. Let's do this actually. Configure renovate. This is why this has failed. Okay, CSCI pipeline is getting failed, but I can try one thing. Issue pull request update. Okay. Uh, mm, I can try this. Where was all contributors? Yep, all contributors install bot and then configure, create a README. Yeah, create a README and then update your contributing documentation, updating your consider readme.md. Okay, this is something which I can do manually, but I don't want to. All contributors bot configuration overview CLI. Let's see installation. I think we already did the installation part using the bot. Yep. All see add on car. Let's see what is the user ID of one car. Just want to test this bot as well. So car for code. Let's see if it opens up here. And all contributors, please add this. Okay, this is done. This is nice. So now there is a PR which is opened. It will add you into all contributors as well as readme.md. Cool. Review changes, comment, approve, submit review, and let's go. So now you are one of the contributors. So you will be able to see readme.md. Why it is not coming? NGX PWA offline. Okay, for which I have added this. Okay, I just added to another repository. Is it? Mhm. Okay, sorry. So NGX PWA offline. This is not the project. Hmm, all contributors and NGX builders. Angular async local storage. Yeah, this is the project. So for this, we want to add, and let's see, pull request. There is a configure innovate pull request. Add here, comment, and it should open a PR. Let's see. Mhm. Why? All contributors, please add. Okay, probably it's the bot is not installed. Let's see. And GitHub apps, renovate. Okay, not renovate. We have all contributors configure and all repositories save. Hmm, cool. So now I can go back. Let's hope it works now. So pull request configure it. Okay, add correct all. Who's the bot? All contributors.
All
Okay,
contributors, yeah.
yeah. So I think somehow there was a link which came and which caused this issue. Mm,
Mm-hmm.
let's see. All contributors. Okay, this looks nice. This looks okay right now. And let's see if there
Mm-hmm.
is a. Okay. Now it is
Yeah.
there. Let's see. And let's see the changes. There should be a readme.md. Yep, cool. DB changes. Approve. And squash and merge. Authored by create. Okay. Hmm. Code. Yep.
Mm.
Now you are
Yeah.
one of the contributors, and as well as I think, yeah, we can do this later on. I mean, in case you're interested. So meanwhile, I'll create a issue and you can pick this up later on. So I have this
Okay.
some badges here. So you can refer to this repository. I have some badges, for example, which is the npm package, how many downloads, if CI/CD is getting passed or not. So this
Yeah.
is something which you can try later on. I'll just share the link with you so you can try. And
Okay. Okay.
once
No problem.
workflows is having workflow is having issues. Yeah, Deep. Yeah, actually, right now the CI/CD is not working. I have another issue open, and one of the contributors or uh, one of the person has actually claimed it. I'll work with them probably next week. Hey Arijit, I'm doing good. Yeah, I mean I was busy with a lot of stuff and I'm doing a live stream after so many days. I mean, apart from running the sister talks, I'm doing nothing. So yeah, thanks a lot for joining. Hey again, Onkar. So thanks again for joining and thanks for actually taking this issue. And yeah, it was nice
Yeah.
to
Really
meet you.
amazing for working with you and awesome experience.
Yeah, thank you. So, I'll meanwhile see this badge one. I mean, how to create the badges. I mean, I'll create an issue. Probably you can raise a PR for that as well.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah,
I will pick.
cool.
Yeah.
So, cool. So, I think good night. I mean, I know it's very late in India, and thanks for hanging out.
Where are
So,
you from now? Yeah.
I'm
Uh,
actually in sorry, I'm in Germany right now.
okay.
So,
Okay.
I was in Pune till last year, so just moved to Germany this year. That's why this is like after so many days I'm doing something on my channel. I do
Okay.
streams on my other channel, but not here. But yeah, I wanted to start this again, and thanks for picking this issue. So we finally I was able to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm also from Pune.
Hmm.
In my second year now. I'm. uh,
Oh,
computer
okay.
science with
Okay,
artificial
cool.
intelligence and data science. Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. Where you stay in Pune?
Yeah, I'm in the Akudi. My college name is DY
Okay.
Patil. Yeah.
Okay, you're in DY Patil. Okay, of course I know DY
Yeah.
Patil because I mean I was in Kharghar. My college was in Kharghar Engineering College, so there
Yeah.
was a DY Patil as well in Nerul.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right. Right. Where you stay in Pune?
I used to. I mean, so I used to stay in Pune. So near New Sangvi, in New
Okay.
Sangvi
Okay.
actually.
Okay.
Yeah. So my
Yeah. Yeah.
family
I
is
know.
still there. I mean, hey Sumit, hi, hi, hi. Thank you, thank you. So I mean, they will probably join me here in 1 or 2 months. Let's hope so. But yeah, meanwhile I'm here alone. So I moved to
Okay.
Germany like start of this year, Jan of
Okay.
2022. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah, and that's why I
Nice.
mean it's like right now it's 8 around. It will be 9 p.m. in 10 minutes, but I know for you it's really late.
Yeah. It's 12. Yeah. It's normal time for students. 12 p.m. 12 a.m.
Cool, cool, cool. No problem. Thanks again, Omkar. So probably we'll meet again next time. And thanks everyone for joining on live stream. And good to see you all in chat. I mean, Akash, Jordan. Thanks a lot for listening there. Deep, who is my co-host for This is Tech Talks, the show we do, and Arijit as well as Sumit. Good to see you after a long, long time. And again, so thanks a lot for all the GitHub sponsors. I mean, so for supporting my work. You can also check my GitHub profile and see if you want to support my work. I mean, you can also sponsor as well as yeah. I mean, so there are multiple slots. I mean, multiple areas where how much you want to contribute, and most of that money goes towards supporting open source developers. So that's uh, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. So see you. Bye, everyone. Bye,
Yeah. Bye.
Omkar.